Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, purple color, pink color, blue color, green color, brown color, sea green color. So let's get started. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cow. C for cow. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for ink. I for ink. J. J for jelly. J for jelly. K. K for king. K for king. L. L for lotus. L for lotus. M. M for mittens. M for mittens. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. W for water. W for water. X. X for Xerox. X for Xerox. Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.